Hey, good morning, guys. It is Sunday. We are going to do a video of what sold on eBay yesterday. I believe I should have probably checked before we got started, but let me see how many orders we are pulling today. There's quite a few. It was a pretty good day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We had 11 sales, but only 9 paid for them, so we're going to pull 9 orders. So stick around. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. We've got 9 orders to pull on eBay today. It's Sunday, so we're gonna go ahead and pull them, get them shipped, and then they'll go out tomorrow on Monday. First paid for item is the Spa Sensation. It's in box 21. I believe it's down here. And it is a group of this stuff right here. This is what it looks like. There's actually more of it. It's called Inspiration. It's for your hot tub or your spa. I believe it's like cleaning or deodorizer or something. Moisturizer. I'm not real sure. So let's take a look at it here. Parfum de bain with moisturizers, if that's how you say it. So it's spa and bath fragrance. I think it's to help your hot tub not smell so chlorine-y. Is that even a word? Probably not. Probably help knock down the chlorine smell. Could be to make your bath smell better. But anyways, I bought this 4-pack plus the little one down here that you see. This right here I paid $2.99 for. It was in a Goodwill grab bag, and it sold for $28 plus the buyer paid $8 in shipping. So pretty good deal there. It's been up for a little while. It did take a little while to sell, but we'll take it. Next up is a board game. This is called Formula de Lavore and Randall Racing Game. It's complete and pre-owned. It says under table 1, which is underneath it here somewhere. Oh, I've already got it packed. Oh, look at me. Look at me. I think we had somebody offer, or no, I had somebody from France that wanted me to deliver it to France, wanted to know how much it cost. So I went ahead and pre-packaged it for them. They ended up not buying it, but this sold $25 plus the buyer paid shipping. So that was a game we paid $2 for at a thrift store. I'll show you a picture of it here on the screen. That's what it looks like. So it's like a dice rolling racing game. Pretty cool. I'm not a big racing fan, or I probably would have kept it. Next up is a DeLonghi, and this is in tote 2, which is down here. It's going to be a little bit tough to grab, so I'm going to grab it and then show it to you guys. Okay, so actually we had 2 items that came out of that tote. I'll show you this one next. This is a Nescafe Dolce Gusto, and this is made by DeLonghi, I believe. If we flip it over here, Nescafe coffee maker. Hopefully this is the right one. Let's see here. I should probably just check my pictures, huh? Just to verify that we got the right guy here. So, yep, that's the right one. It's made by DeLonghi. It's for an Nescafe. They have little pods that slide in there, and then it goes in and makes your coffee. This was tested, and I tested it by just running water through it, and I did it multiple times. $35.99 plus the buyer paid shipping. I believe I paid $5 for that at Goodwill. The next item is this green super cool see-through VTech cordless phone, and this sold for $27.99 plus the buyer paid shipping. Paid $3.99 I think for that at Goodwill. So pretty cool there. While we're here, because I know the Screaming Dragon is up here, this DragonWorks, we sold this on Amazon. It came back as damaged, or at least they listed as damaged. It doesn't look damaged to me at all. The box is, so that's what I listed it as on there. About damaged it more by dropping it. That right there sold for $20 with the buyer paying shipping. So not a bad little amount of money coming in on that. I just listed this item the other day, and you wouldn't think it would sell for as much as it did. It's Talking Battleship, electronic tech Talking Battleship secret code book. And that sold for $9 with free shipping, which we're just going to slide that into a little bubble mailer and send it on its way. So it's going to cost $2.80 to ship. And that was just lying around. I don't even know where I found it. It was just in my death pile, and grabbed it and listed it, and it sold pretty quick. We've got 2 toys selling. These are bendy toys. They're in box 3 up there. I'm going to grab them here in just a second. These sold for $29.99 plus shipping. This box is pretty empty. It's pretty light. Doesn't have much in there. It's these 2 guys right here. It's the Wanda, I think is her name, and Bendy. So 30 bucks there. Those I think we had selling on Amazon, and then they made us pull them for some reason, so we brought them back. These are typically 7 or 8 bucks. So looks like we made some money. We'll put that in a poly bag and ship it first class. They're pretty light for that. Next up is this really cool clock. I can't believe it took as long to sell as it did, and they don't sell for very much, but sold for $9.99 plus the buyer paid shipping. And it is this awesome looking Lego clock that is working. It's a working Lego clock. So the really big ones, the bigger ones that are like a 4, they look like 4, like a 4 of these on it, or maybe it's 6. It's real long. They sell a lot better than these little 2 ones. So $10 plus the buyer paid shipping. We paid $1.99 for that. So still making money, just not as much as we would want to on an item. Let's see, what else do we have left? We have 1 item left, and it is a DVD, and it's going to be all the way down here. If you guys watch the channel, you've seen me sell a ton of Grease 2 DVDs. These came into our bookstore free, and which one is it? Yep, it's the one over here, which actually doesn't sell as much. We got these for free, and they took no time to list it all. I got a dozen of each kind of Grease 2s, and these sell for about $5, which this one sold for $5. Cost us $2.80 to ship it through media mail, and we make a couple bucks on them. So when it's all said and done, you know, we spent maybe 5 minutes, even with the shipping. They don't, I mean, you slide it in a bubble mailer and send it on its way. It's actually taking me longer to talk about it than it is to ship it, and we send those out. And when you're selling items like that, where you're making a couple bucks a pop, and you're just selling, you know, a few a week, and they're really, really quick and simple, we'll do that. Some people don't like that model, and that's okay. But we tend to like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ship all these items and get them ready, and then I want you to stay tuned, because either in this video or the very next video that comes out, we're going to go through the box of mystery, the mystery box, which is down here. I picked this up off the side of the road like a trash picker, and I haven't been through it yet, and actually I think I'm gonna do it in the next video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the items out and look at them, and then I'm going to look them up on eBay and show you how we research eBay items to see if we want to sell it or not. All of it's free, so it's going to be pretty easy to see if there's any money to be made. So thanks so much for watching today, guys. Give us a like, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Subscribe to the channel. Check out our other videos, comment, give us your questions, and we will talk to you guys soon.